Ladies and gentlemen, we have come across a lovely man that don't want to be filmed, but he has converted a push bike into an 80cc motorbike. And this guy has got pure talent. Who says Jaywick hasn't got talent? Ladies and gentlemen, a push bike has been converted into a motorbike. That is Jaywick talent. Take a look. Toby, what do you think about that?
This is incredible. Can we put it here?
Is it okay if he moves it there?
Yeah.
That's it?
Lift it up, lift it up, lift it up.
Lift it up, he said, yep.
It's heavy, huh? Yeah.
Wow. Toby, what do you think of this intuition of Jaywick?
That's crazy.
Look at that.
They're only cheap, you know. They're £72.
What, for the kit?
Yeah, off the internet.
And it actually works?
Yeah, of course, man. Definitely. That's been through the wars, that.
Look, if he's, Toby's liking it. Only in Jaywick can someone convert a push bike into a motorbike from an Amazon kit for £72. What's your name again?
Carl.
Cole is a bloody good man. Amazon kit, £72, has converted a mountain bike into a motorbike. That's Jaywick, ladies and gentlemen. We improvise, we're creative, and we shine on. Thank you, Cole. I love your bike, Cole.
Yeah, man. I'm getting lost for it next. Serious.
Look at that.
Get Bruce bottle, bro.
That is superb.
It's so good.
That is so good.
That's why I wear all this stuff. I'm lit up, you know what I mean? I've got a headlights, I've got a
That is amazing.
indicators on it, on that light as well.
And what's the top speed of it?
It does 45.
45 miles an hour?
Yeah. You can add bits to it, like that banana pipe. I added that. You can add like a Canon air filter or a racing carburettor.
And how much petrol does it hold? Like a gallon?
2 litres that is, and that'll take me 100 miles.
You do 100 miles on 2 litres?
Yeah.
That is fuel efficiency.
Big time.
On 2 litres, I get 4 miles. Shine on, Cole. I love your bike, Cole. Shine on.